Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Now let's tap on system navigation, and as you can see here we've got the gestures. Before we will set it, a quick disclaimer: you can customize the 3-key navigation if you want to leave this option turned on. Just tap on the settings, and as you can see you can reorder the buttons, specifically the back button and the recents. Let's go back and let's tap on the gestures. If you want, you can go through the tutorial, but I don't want to do it, so let me go back. Instead of the 3-button navigation, we've got a clear screen without anything. We can customize it here. Just tap on the settings, and if you want to, you can show the navigation bar, because basically the gesture started with this navigation line. However, it's up to you. I prefer to have it hidden. You can customize it so you can slide across bottom to switch apps and manage Google Assistant. You can try out gestures here. Basically, if you want to go through the tutorial, you can do it. But let me explain right now how to use the gestures quickly. If you want to get back to the previous page, just swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device and do it from the left or the right side. It does not really matter. So just like that, and release the finger. As you can see, we will go back to the previous page. If you want to get back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a short and quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, simply elongate this gesture, so from the bottom to the center, and after releasing the finger you can see that here we've got previously opened apps. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.